If you're right at the beginning of your n8n journey, then I have an amazing hack for you that's going to save you a huge amount of time, because one issue a lot of beginners have is they don't know where to start with tools like ChatGPT. They can use ChatGPT themselves on the OpenAI website, but they're not quite sure how to build it into an n8n workflow. So what I want you to do is I want you to come over to this page on the n8n website. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can come straight here. This is the page that shows you how to integrate OpenAI with thousands of apps and services. So all you're going to do with this is you're going to scroll down, and it's going to show you how you can create workflows with OpenAI integrations. And you can see OpenAI will integrate with 799 other integrations. You can sort them in different ways. It's completely up to you. And when you open these up, so if I click on the Google Sheets one, for example, this is what it looks like. And we now have a combination of how to use ChatGPT and Google Sheets. We've got exactly how to create a new workflow with these two things working together. It's got here an idea of exactly how you could do this, and you can copy this particular workflow straight away, and we can go in and we can explore this one as well. So we can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can see the whole thing, and we can explore. And if we scroll down, we've got loads and loads of ideas of how we can combine ChatGPT and we can combine Excel together. And this just keeps going and going. And remember, we can do that for all of these different integrations. Not only that, but if you scroll down, we can see popular ways to use OpenAI itself. So if you're not interested in a combination of two, you just want to explore generally what ChatGPT can do within the n8n platform, you can do exactly the same thing. So we can scroll through here, we can load all of these up, and we can see exactly what we can do using ChatGPT. And we can get some ideas, and then this is going to inspire you on what you can build. But what you can also do as well is you can click on these, you can get the workflow. So you don't have to build this from scratch. You can just check it out. Again, you can look at the workflow. You can read about it down here. You can contact the person who's built it if you want to, and ask them any questions. And then all you got to do is hit use for free, and then you can copy the JSON straight into n8n, or you can, if you're logged in, then you can bring it straight into n8n itself. So you don't have to start from scratch feeling intimidated. You can actually use the n8n website itself. Now, one little bonus for you, because you've stuck till the end of this video, this is a free tool that I have built the community. It's a beginner's AI workflow builder, really simple. All you need to do is click down here. You describe exactly what you need in plain English. You don't have to use any technical terminology. You don't need to know any code. And what's this going to do is going to create a JSON file that you can then put into a builder like n8n, like Make, and it's going to then give you that starting point in order for you to be able to go ahead and put in your integrations, put in some of your login details, API details, whatever it needs, and then run the automation. Not only that, but it actually tells you what integrations and things you need to set up. So you can go away and get those API keys, get everything ready before you upload this to the n8n platform. So if you would like to use this, the link is also down in the description. If you need any other help with getting started with n8n, ask your questions in the comments and we'll make a video about it. We'll see you in the next one.